Hallo duine, is mise Elini Karamik agus sé sinnetar Gaelic a chunam as a Nilan skianach, ach get a sauna as a Nilan skianach a hami gumma missal chirig. Mar sin hami céad the jo an hiristeach a hikish gave mar an na fiche and bliana. Hello, my name is Ailey Cormack and I'm a Gaelic singer from the Isle of Skye. But although I'm from Skye, I love tidy, so I'm really looking forward to teaching you a great wee tidy song. Agus sé an follow volume a ríomhainneoig in tena mehéid. It's called an follow volume a ríomhainneoig. Cha dhéanamh le fed idir rá Alistair Mac na Cearstich agus sauna chirig a bhai ach bhai fudach an an glasachu agus bhai giúndrain an dachi gomór. Nis bhai che eke a bhai sean na fósig agus bhai Cúteach go sean na gáil gachi, so mar sin bhai fiachan rí ionse is an ché seo cho brías cho áling sa bha chirig agus goróid sean gan cheeky gishe gachi leis. So this is a love song, but it's also a song about loving where you come from. So this man, Alistair Sinclair, who composed the song, he was in love with a woman in Glasgow where he was living at the time, but he wanted to go back to Tiree. So he was trying to convince her in this song that just how beautiful Tiree is with all its beautiful views, beautiful birds, beautiful wildlife, and trying to convince her to move back to Tiree with him. Mar sin sé an bria haun agus han céadrás gomór i bhí gagal caldaréh. It's a beautiful song and I'm really looking forward to singing it along with y'all. Seo agah na fachlin an ára na féise an bliana an follow volume a ríomhainneoig. These are the words to the song, our face song this year, an follow volume a ríomhainneoig. So we'll start off with the séist or the chorus. An follow volume a ríomhainneoig non chéad uliúm harsale. Gum feich ann gach ní good bhíon sa nilan hir a gach mi. Gleva, round the hoon, or verse number 1, is Get nach eichgu kal no fiech hagiech is jalle van aun. Cad vil shalach a chuain hir nur vies a liagan traite. Gleva. And then we would go back to the séist or the chorus. Round the ga, verse number 2, is Hi ushak agus smiorach lon du agus luachran Shelan ruig le vil segarig spolarak gach buavan. Gleva. Then back to our séist, and round the 3, verse number 3 is Gur himmig rut a churin sias mun tír a rein mi akal sin chelan uain a sharlum hín seach pís je gere gael. Gleva. Seo agah maha mar a chuire sin fán dis na fachlin. This is how we would now put the tune to the words of An follow volume a ríomhainneoig. An follow volume a ríomhainneoig non chéad uliúm harsale gum feich goáin gach ní good bhíon sa nilan hir a gach mi. Get nach eich go kai no fiech hagieg es jalle van Kat vil shalleg a chuain hier nur vies a liegen trache am falla volume a ríomhainneoig non chéad uliúm harsale gum feich goáin gach ní good bhíon sa nilan hir a gach mi. Hi ushak agus mio want u agus lochran, Shilan ruig levil, Segar explora kid gach buavan, am falavulum erivignoig, non chitulum harsale, gun feichu al gachni good vian, senyilan hieregak mi. Good himmel gruta churing shies, munchira rein mi akal, shenchilan nuanya sharlum hin, shach pish jeheregayov, am falavulum erivignoig, non chitulum harsale, gun feichu al gachni good vian, senyilan hieregayov.